Hi guys, welcome to Coding Masters. Raju Sir here. Recently I started Gen AI and Agentic AI batch with good number of people. Why I'm saying that word? Right now AI industry is successfully open in the market. But are you recognized this? Software industry almost closed. What jobs right now people are losing? Software jobs people are losing. They are entering into AI jobs. So welcome to AI industry. Welcome to Gen and Agentic AI programs. This is a course where making you people with excellent wealth and a great future. Please come and join with our course. Get a great feeling in every step of this course. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you one and all.